Hey guys, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review. If you're shopping for a premium action camera this year, two of the biggest options on the market, the DJI Osmo Action 6 and the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Both are designed for content creators, travelers, bikers, vloggers and adventure enthusiasts. But they take different approaches when it comes to image quality, creative flexibility and everyday usability. So today, we're comparing them side by side to help you decide which one fits your need best. Let's start with one of the biggest differences between these cameras, the sensor and lens system. The GoPro Hero 13 Black uses a 1x1.9-inch sensor. In contrast, the DJI Osmo Action 6 features a massive new 1x1.1-inch square sensor. Compared to traditional smaller sensors, DJI's largest sensor pulls in significantly more light in complex environments, resulting in footage that is noticeably more stable and cleaner in both bright daylight and challenging night scenes. Combined with the square sensor structure, it inherently gives you much more room for post-production, cropping and multi-platform creation. DJI also introduces something unique in the action camera category, a variable aperture system ranging from aperture 2.0 to aperture 4.0. The Hero 13 Black uses a fixed aperture 2.5. This gives the DJI camera more flexibility depending on the scene. You can use aperture 2.0 in darker environments or move toward aperture 4.0 when shooting landscape and outdoor scenery where you want maximum detail throughout the frame. For creators who enjoy experimenting with different shooting styles, that's a notable difference. Moving to video quality, both cameras have strong capabilities but focus on different strengths. Video quality today is no longer just about resolution, it's also about how efficiently creators can turn footage into content. This is where DJI takes a different approach. Thanks to its square sensor design, the Osmo Action 6 captures more image area in a single shot, allowing creators to reframe footage later for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels or Shorts without needing to change camera orientation while recording. For creators who publish across multiple platforms, that means one recording session can generate multiple versions of content much more easily. GoPro continues to focus on high-resolution capture with up to 5.3K recording, while DJI places greater emphasis on post-production flexibility and content workflow. DJI also includes a dedicated Super Night mode supporting up to 4K 60fps, combined with the larger sensor and variable aperture system, specifically designed to improve shooting performance in darker environments. Another useful feature on DJI side is subject tracking and centering, which can help keep subjects centered in supported recording modes, making solo content creation easier. When it comes to stabilization, both cameras perform at a very high level. The Osmo Action 6 features 4K 360-degree horizon steady stabilization, while the Hero 13 Black continues GoPro's tradition of advanced stabilization technology. Whether you're cycling, hiking, running, skiing, or capturing handheld footage, both cameras are built to deliver smooth and stable results. Next, let's talk about audio and ecosystem features. One area where DJI stands out is microphone connectivity. The Osmo Action 6 connected directly to two DJI microphone transmitters without requiring a separate receiver. This can be especially useful for interviewers, travel content, motorcycle videos, or situations where two people are speaking. DJI also focused a lot on color performance this time. The Osmo Action 6 supports 10-bit color and D-Log-M, giving creators more flexibility during color grading. If you already use DJI drones or other DJI cameras, color consistency becomes much easier across devices. On top of that, DJI added several built-in film tones inspired by cinematic and Fujifilm style aesthetics, helping footage look more stylish directly out of the camera. The GoPro ecosystem remains one of the most established in the action camera market, especially for users who already own GoPro mounts and accessories. So, existing gear may influence your decision here. Now, let's move to usability and convenience. The DJI Osmo Action 6 includes 50GB of built-in storage, allowing you to start recording even without a memory card installed. The GoPro Hero 13 Black relies entirely on external storage. Battery life is another notable difference. According to the comparison specification, the Osmo Action 6 can achieve up to around 4 hours of recording in 1080p mode, while the Hero 13 Black is rated at around 2.5 hours under similar conditions. Waterproofing is also different. The Osmo Action 6 is rated for depths up to 20 meters without a case, while the Hero 13 Black is rated for 10 meters without additional housing. Finally, let's look at creative shooting options. Both cameras support macro accessories for close-up shots. However, DJI combines its micro lens support with the variable aperture system, allowing users to create more noticeable background separation and shallow depth of field effects. DJI also offers a 4-boost lens that expands the field of view up to 182 degrees, while the GoPro Hero 13 Black reaches up to 177 degrees with its ultra-wide option. So, after comparing everything, both cameras clearly offer strong features but cater to slightly different priorities. The DJI Osmo Action 6 focuses on flexibility with its larger square sensor, variable aperture system, low-light focused features, built-in storage, longer battery life, and direct dual microphone connectivity. The GoPro Hero 13 Black focuses on high-resolution recording and remains a strong option for users already invested in the GoPro ecosystem. At the end of the day, there isn't a universal winner here. The right choice depends on your shooting style, workflow, and which features matter most to you. So, which one would you choose? The DJI Osmo Action 6 or the GoPro Hero 13 Black? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.